In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to create a simple sign-up form in Mailchimp. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clean and effective form ready to collect contacts and grow your audience, even if you're completely new to Mailchimp or online forms. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to Mailchimp. Go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're inside, you'll land on your dashboard, which is your main workspace. From here, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Campaigns. This is where Mailchimp organizes everything you create, including emails, ads, and forms. Next, find the Create button, usually located near the top right corner. Click on it. This is your starting point whenever you want to build something new. You'll now see a list of options. From these, select Sign Up Form. Mailchimp offers a few different types of forms, but for this tutorial, we'll go with an embedded form. This option is simple and flexible because you can place it on your website, blog, or landing page by copying and pasting the code. After selecting the form type, you'll be asked to give your form a name. Choose something descriptive like Newsletter Sign-up or Membership Form. This name is just for your own organization, so keep it simple but clear. Once you've named your form, click Begin. Now you'll enter the Form Builder, where you can customize everything. On the left side, you'll see options to add different fields. At a minimum, you should include an email address field, since that's essential for any mailing list. You can also add extra fields like first name or last name if you want to personalize your emails later. But be careful not to ask for too much information, because longer forms can reduce signups. As you add fields, you'll notice an option to mark them as required, which means users must fill them out before submitting. It's best to only require what's absolutely necessary, usually just the email field. Take your time here and think about what information will actually help you connect better with your audience. Next, review your form settings. Make sure your form is connected to the correct audience list. This is important because all new contacts will be added there. You can also customize confirmation messages or adjust other preferences depending on your needs. If you're using a free or essentials plan, you might notice a Mailchimp badge at the bottom of your form. If your plan allows it and you prefer a cleaner look, you can disable that branding in the settings. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click Continue. And just like that, your sign-up form is ready. Now you can copy the embed code and paste it into your website or share the form link directly with your audience. This is a powerful way to start building your email list and growing your community. And that's it. Now let's quickly summarize the steps. First, log into Mailchimp and go to the Campaigns section. Next, click Create and choose Sign Up Form. Then select Embedded Form as your form type. Give your form a name and click Begin. Add and customize your form fields, making only essential ones required. Review your settings and connect the correct audience. Finally, publish your form and copy the embed code to share it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below.